Hello guys, today you'll see my makeup routine that looks like this. And first of all, I'm gonna tell you guys what's my channel name about. LK stands for my name, L is Lisa, and K is my last name. So yeah, that's why it's my channel name. I'm actually from Russia, but I'm living in China. Yeah, nobody knew. But now you know. And let's go watch this ratchet makeup routine. Okay, let's get started. So first of all, I use this H&B Health and Beauty oil-free moisturizing cream. That's what I use. So I put it on my hand just to moisturize my skin and just like it's better, just better. Oh, I forgot. And I'm gonna use this Max Factor color correcting cream. So yeah, I use this as a foundation. Okay. And please don't mind the pimples that I have. I'm so sorry. Okay, and then I'm gonna take normal beauty blender. It's a little bit dirty. Sorry. Okay, let's put it on our face.
I'm not a makeup artist. I just do it, so yeah. So comment down below maybe some video ideas, because I wanna know. It's I can sing for you guys. I can teach you something. I can cook. So if you want anything, tell me please. I love you guys, even though it's really my first video, but still I know you're gonna be helping me. Because I wanna make you happy. Nearly amount. I don't use that much, but when I use it's for events, I sometimes just for school a little bit. Right now I'm just doing an event. It's my natural makeup and my not natural makeup. So yeah. Okay, let's put some lip balm. Just my hands are so slippery. Okay. I literally cannot open this lip balm. Oh, I can. Okay. Look. Yep, that's what we like. That's what I like. Okay, I'm gonna still. Okay, and now I'm gonna literally just drop my big eye. But it's okay, so this is my face right now. And to change, if it's not changed, I don't know. It's not changing, I don't even know what I'm doing there. It's just to make me beautiful, so I look more presentable. Maybe in some events, like my birthday, like New Year. Okay.
We're done with our face makeup. That's what I do. Literally, that's what I do. Next up, we're gonna do eyes. So I'm gonna use this e.l.f. eyeshadow. Okay. I really like this gold. So yeah, this. I don't know how to show. Okay. This gold. Okay, so let's get started. So it's like a gold. So, okay, good.
Probably good. I think it's good.
Okay, that's my eye. I don't know if you can see, but I hope. Just let's hope for something. Okay.
It's just silent sometimes. So when I do my makeup, I'm really focused. Sometimes I'm really not, I don't even know if I'm talking or not. Have I even started the video? Who knows? Actually, let me check.
Okay, so we've done the other eye, if you can see. I'm gonna curl my lashes right now.
Okay. Round two. Oh, good. good.
I don't know where it's from, but it's a sexy pop. Okay. My method is actually blink method because it actually does your bottom eyelashes and top eyelashes.
Okay. Okay. So my first eye is done. Now my second. I do think I like golden eyeshadow and all that because my eyes are actually like a greenish. So I feel like green and yellow they work. Like that's why I really like green and yellow, and I love gold eyeshadow with the eyelashes.
Next up, we're gonna do is blush and highlighter. Do you see the highlighter? You need to see it. Okay. Okay. Okay, so we're almost done. Okay, so after that, we're gonna use a liquid lipstick. It's just a lipstick. Here we go. So thanks for watching my video, and comment down below which other videos you want me to do. Bye.